In 1978, the 50th anniversary of his debut in Steamboat Willie, Mickey Mouse became the first cartoon to receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Speaking of Steamboat Willie, while it was the first Mickey cartoon to be shown in theaters, there were actually two fully completed Mickey Mouse cartoons, Plain Crazy and Galloping Gaucho, that were made prior to Steamboat Willie. Both films failed to be picked up by the distributors until after Steamboat Willie made its debut. And while Mickey doesn't actually speak in Steamboat Willie, he was the first cartoon character to actually speak. It happened in the 1929 short, The Carnival Kid. Mickey shouts the word, "Hot dog! Hot dog!" And the rest, as they say, is history. Speaking of firsts, you saw Mickey was gloveless in Steamboat Willie. The first time he actually wore his trademark white gloves was in the 1929 cartoon, The Opry House. Initially, it was done to help define his bare hands from his torso. He's worn them ever since. I'll give you one more. Mickey Mouse is the most common write-in name for president. Yes, you heard that correctly. Mickey Mouse has always received votes to become the president of the United States. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a great classic Mickey Mouse turnaround drawing lesson, as well as hundreds of others.